the end of summer, and if you're like me, your garden is overflowing with zucchini and jalapenos. So today I am gonna use a bunch of summer produce and put it together with some orzo, bake it in the oven with a little cheese on top, and it'll be the perfect side dish to serve alongside any kind of protein. And you know I'm not dirtying the bowl, so I'm gonna put this zucchini in here and then I mix it right in this casserole dish before I bake it. I'm gonna chop one shallot. If you don't have a shallot, don't worry about it, use a half an onion. Okay, I got 2 baby jalapenos here. If you don't want them, you could leave them out, or if you have 1 big jalapeno, that's good too. I left the seeds in. All right, now we're gonna add some olive oil, Italian herb seasoning, and some Italian red pepper flakes. I'm gonna give this whole thing a stir. A little bit of salt, cut, 400-degree oven, 15 minutes. So I've got 3 ears of uncooked corn that I am just chopping off the cob. Okay, I just took it out of the oven. It's very hot, it smells good. Gonna add our corn, about 2 to 3 cups of corn. This is a pound of orzo pasta. I've got 8 ounces of pesto. So I'm gonna give it a stir. Then I'm gonna add 2.5 cups of chicken stock. I'm gonna pour it over the top, put it back in the oven for another 12 minutes, and then the pasta's gonna cook in the liquid and absorb it. Take it out of the oven, stir it. I'm gonna top it with a handful of cheese, pop it back in the oven until the cheese melts, and top it with fresh basil.